Chanupa Nungshi ba Tumba mata muire Thenge Mobile paiba do kui male Mobile kui na paiba fatte Mobile paiba do kui male Mobile kui na paiba fatte. Listen carefully. This is not just a story. This is cyber reality. Mobile kui na paiba fatte Mobile paiba do kui male Mobile kui na paiba fatte Tumba se wari libirage Wari Hourasi Ngasi di malware gi wari Trojan Horse ki story Mobile yam kui na paigano Egi data, egi privacy kangu Egi data, egi privacy kangu Unknown links, suspicious files Hidden payloads behind the smiles Malware stealth, silent attack Background process running black Trojan Horse disguise so clean Looks so safe but not what it seems Wari Hourasi Wari Hourasi Wari Hourasi Wari Hourasi Hittaro Trojan Horse gladi kamay na toni kanging bara kamay na toni kanging bara Trojan Horse wali mabil na toni yang kui na paigano. Think before you install apps. But inside, malicious entity Kongkham apps installed bayade APK files checked trust bara yengu Permissions asking access all Contacts, camera, everything fall Pinching links, somebody fake update Click to dringe, checks in angle Spyware, ransomware, keylogger too Everything silently watching you Install to dringe da hanglam mo Check sin bana quaidagi fei Check salo verify source yengu Before you open any course Digital world, the careful are you Digital world, the careful are you Digital world, the careful are you